Morning, everyone. The sun is just barely rising, and the moon behind me is setting. You can see it right here. And I'm just doing some more practice at bird language, and I can hear robins off this direction. It's a little earlier today, so they've got their baseline call, setting up their territories, and chirp, chirp, chirp. Robin. Way off in the distance that way, I can hear Chickadee, also in their baseline song. And then all around me are Housefinch. So in other videos we talked about the baseline and alarm call. You'll really know the difference once you've been in a spot multiple times, and you can notice when they're going off between alarm or calm. Those are the two differences. You can see the sunrise in this direction, just coming up. My sit spot is on top of my roof right now. You can do a sit spot at your front doorstep. You can do a sit spot in a parking lot. You can do a sit spot under a tree. Some place that you can sneak into without the animals really noticing you're getting there. You can go in as it's a little bit dark. Make sure if you're doing it, you've got permission from your parents and that everyone knows where you are, so you're not getting lost too far. But I do hope you're getting outside. It does not have to be at sunrise, but that is the time when you're going to hear the most bird language and have the chance to see the most animals. Robin's off in the distance still, and you can hear that chip, 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 chip. So that's an alarm call by a robin. I don't think it's from me. Now they're back to their baseline. And then there's the alarm. So it could be two robins talking to each other. Back to their baseline. And actually all the other birds went quiet. So that's a chance that there's some predator around, like a Cooper's hawk or an owl. Alright, and just to end with a little song. I am in the right place. I am in the right time. I am with the right crew, babe. We got this, we got this. Have a wonderful day.